Hello everybody, welcome to our next video. We're going to be starting a 14-day cabin fever challenge. So basically my mom and I, who both make videos, are going to be each posting a bracelet tutorial every day for the next 2 weeks. We're doing a competition between the two of us to see whose videos get the most likes and views. So that'll be interesting. So here is my first video. It's this really simple bracelet. I think it's quite elegant, and it's just like a little touch of bracelet for those that maybe don't like huge jewelry. So we'll see how you guys like it. We're going to start with the normal 3 foot of beading string, and I have a needle on each end. And we're going to start by picking up 6 seed beads. I'm going to be dropping a lot of seed beads all over the place in this video. So there's my 6 seed beads. Pull it down to the end. And then I take one of my purple 3mm bicones and one blue on the other needle. And pull them all the way down. So there we go. And then 3 more seed beads on each needle. So 3 on this one, and 3 on the next. And then we cross out a green bicone bead. This is a 4mm bicone. And if you can hear the cat screaming, I apologize. She's been really loud and vocal today. I don't know what her problem is. I promise we do feed her. So here's the beginnings of it. And then I'm going to pick up 3 seed beads on each needle again. And this time I'm going to switch up which side gets which color. So on this side, which had the purple, I'm going to put a blue 3mm bicone. On this other side, put the purple bicone. And then 3 more seed beads on each needle. Whoops. And then the green bicone. They're going to cross. So one needle's going one way, the other needle goes in the other way. I'm going to pull this tight. And here you go. Here's the beginning. You're going to keep doing this, alternating which color bicone goes on which side until you get your desired length. This one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one has 14 circles, and we call it a medium. I have really tiny wrists, so it's going to look huge on my hand, but this is about the length. So if you have a small wrist, I'd say go for 12 or so and adjust accordingly if you have a larger or a medium-sized wrist. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the loops. So here I am in the last loop. This one I decided to do 13 loops because why not? I have my 3 seed beads. I'm going to be adding the bicone beads, the small bicones, one on each side. Whoops. There we go. It's one of the casualty of multiple needle bracelets. You can get knots super easily. And then I just add 3 on each side. 3 of these seed beads again. And then 3 on here. Whoops. Sounds like I just threw a seed bead on the floor. And then I'm going to tie a knot, leaving the needles on. I'm sure you all have better ways of doing this than I have just discovered. There we go. I'm gonna thread the needle back through. All the way to the green bead. I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. And this bracelet is called the Annie, which is a type of tree-dwelling bird. We've been running out of bird names, so especially for this challenge, we printed out this list of 1,000,000 bird names. And we're just going through and picking some random ones. So I've never seen an Annie before in real life, or even pictures. So I might have a picture for you in just a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the strings off. Okay. Oh, and here is the Annie bird. It looks like a blackbird. I don't know. Okay, so here's the finished bracelet. If you already know how to put jump rings on, then go ahead and like and subscribe to our page. And remember, the more likes I get, the better I do in the competition. If you need help with jump rings, I will show you now. So I'm going to take the jump ring and open it up. I'm going to slide one end of my clasp in. And then put the bracelet on. I didn't close that very well. I'm gonna try again. There we go. And sometimes I need to like pinch them like that a little bit to get it to stay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put one on the other side, doing pretty much the same thing. If you get the bracelet tangled and you're using one of these like ball and socket type clasps, it really doesn't matter because the socket side can be flipped around so you can untangle any weird knots you might have made when you're putting the jump rings on. So it looks like I actually have a tangle, so I'm just going to open this up. There we have it, nice and flat, and close it. And here is our finished bracelet. So, my mom will be putting her video out soon. You can go ahead and take a look on that, and if you like them both, go ahead and give them both that thumbs up. I'll see you next time.